Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download Clash of Clans on PC. So first of all, go to your web browser and type download Clash of Clans on PC on the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page and click on the first link of softonic.com. It will then direct to you this page. Here, as you can see, there is a button to download the game. So click on it and it will download and you are ready to go. How to log in on Clash of Clans. So, first of all, open your Clash of Clans app on your device and tap on your settings icon. If your Supercell account is connected, then tap on Connected button. It will take you this page. Now select the settings icon. Now click on Logout button. Now click on Confirm button. It will take you to this new page. Now click on any account you want to log in from. So, this is how you log in on Clash of Clans. How to start a clan war on Clash of Clans. So, let's begin. So to start a war, you need to be either a leader or a co-leader. Members cannot start clan wars. As you can see, we just had a horrible defeat in our last war. Now hit your Start War button, and you get to the screen here. So as a leader or a co-leader, you can let in people or out people. You can either select 15 or 20 members to start a clan war. After selecting your team members, click on Start War button. So, this is how you start a clan war. How to get raid medals on Clash of Clans. The Clan Capital update introduced the COC community to raid weekends. These are clan events that can be accessed through the Events tab and hold a similarity to clan war leagues. And with the arrival of raid weekends, the raid medals came into the fray. As mentioned earlier, raid weekends hold a similarity to clan war leagues. The only difference is that raid weekends reward you with raid medals, while the CWL rewards you with league medals that can be used in the league shop. Raid medals are rewarded in two ways. Here's how you can get them in COC. You get 5 initial attacks in the entire raid weekend. An additional attack is also awarded once you successfully 3-star a clan district. You have to attack and get the best possible result in all of them, since that determines how many raid medals you get from the attack log. The second way that you get medals is through the defense log of the weekend. As many successful defenses your clan manages to make will reward your clan with raid medals, which will then be distributed among the members evenly. The rewards will only be given at the end of the raid weekend. So if you are looking to get the medals in the middle, you will not be able to collect them. The defense layout of the clan is done by the leader or co-leader, so your successful defense might not entirely be in your hands. The medals can be used to purchase resources and magic items in the trader's shop and can be used to fill your clan castle troops. That's all you need from this guide on how to get raid medals in Clash of Clans. How to change clan name in Clash of Clans. So, first of all, open the Clash of Clans app. And now click on the setting button. Now click on Help and Support. Now click on Message Us button. It will then ask you to choose an option below, and you have to click on Request/Delete Data. Now it will ask you to leave your question below. Also put your clan tag. Now they only change the name of the clan if the name is offensive or if it contains someone's personal information. In my case, it was offensive name. So, as you can see, they have changed the name of my clan to Mighty Yaks. How to leave a clan in Clash of Clans. So, first of all, open the Clash of Clans app. Now click on your profile. As you can see, there are 4 options. Click on My Clan button. It will take you this page. Now click on Leave button below. So, this is how you leave a clan in Clash of Clans. How to join a clan in Clash of Clans. So, first of all, open your Clash of Clans app. Now click on the profile button, which is upper leftmost corner of the app. Now you will see 3 options: My Profile, Clans, and Social. So click on Clans. Now search for your clan by typing name on the search bar. So guys, this is how you join a clan in Clash of Clans. How to level up clan in Clash of Clans. The 3 basic ways to get clan XP are as follows. By CWL. By Clan Wars. By Clan Games. Although the first 2 are conceptually the same, I'll treat them as separate because XP for Clan Wars and CWL are calculated using different methods. Clan Wars are the primary way to earn clan XP. Clan wars should be done as frequently as feasible if you want to level up as quickly as possible because CWL and clan games have set XP rewards. How to deny clan requests in Clash of Clans. So first of all, open the Clash of Clans app. Clan invites can be blocked via the in-game settings menu. This can be accessed by selecting the gray cog icon from the main menu screen and choosing the options menu. How to report a player in Clash of Clans. So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app and open the player you want to report. Tap on a player's name in their profile and tap on Report. Using the report button does not automatically end up in a ban for the reported user. However, every report is manually reviewed by moderators and taken seriously. Due to the amount of reports they receive, it can take up to 48h until a report is reviewed. How to find a clan with one member in Clash of Clans? So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app. Click on XP button. Now out of many options, click on Clans button. From there you have to select Advanced Options. From the Advanced Options, decrease the members to 1. Now from the clan level settings, increase it to 5. Now click on Search button. As you can see, all these clans are closed. So, this is how you find a clan with one member on Clash of Clans. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.